Hello guys, so welcome back to the 42nd question of SQL LeetCode series, and we are going to solve the question which is named as second highest salary. It is marked as a medium in the complexity level. So let us go to the question. So it has only one table employee which has two columns, ID and salary. ID is the primary key. Each row of this table contains information about the salary of an employee. Write a solution to find the second highest salary from the employee table. If there is no second highest salary, return null. Okay, so the result format is in the following. Okay, so suppose if this is the table, so second highest salary is 200, so we are getting 200. Okay, if there's only one output, one input, or only one row, then the second highest salary would be null. So, okay, now let us solve this. How do you find the maximum salary? Let's say select max salary from employee. Okay, so this everybody knows. So let's see if this gives the maximum salary. Okay, 300 is the maximum salary in the first and out. Oh, and the expected output is 200 because we need to get the second highest salary. Now, if I do a subquery where I will just copy this statement and paste it here and run this. Test.employee. Okay. So what I'm doing is first I'm finding a salary which is the maximum salary from the employee table in a subquery. Let's see what is wrong here. So only the column name is wrong, that we can correct. Okay, so no problem on that. That is my least concern because now I already know that, see, null and null. We are getting the answer correct, only the column name. Just do as and write the column name. Okay, so what this subquery will do? It will give you a maximum salary from the table, right? So suppose for the first table, let me say for the first table, the maximum salary is 300. So your output for this is 300. And I will just do an enter for you to explain. And here I will write 300. Now, what your main query says, select maximum salary from employee. You have to select the maximum salary. Where salary not in. The condition is where salary not in. Means you are ignoring this 300 value. Now, from the remaining values, you are going to find the maximum salary. So the output returns 200 for this, and for the second condition, there is only one entry, so output would be null, which is uh, basic and already know. If there's no output to be given, the SQL gives null as an output. So this is the simple way to solve this. Other thing you can do if you want to explore, try the rank method and just select rank is equals to 2. But it is again going to be a complex. You have to write more number of lines in the code, and then there is a situation where you can do a syntax mistake with rank, and you have to define a CT also. So just try to write a solution in a very basic way like this. So just select the maximum salary and then give it a cross that this salary should not be included in my next calculation. So select maximum salary from employee. Well, salary not in, select maximum salary from employee. So 300 would be excluded in the first go. So from the remaining values, it will give the maximum salary, which is going to be the second highest salary. Okay. So I hope you would have understood the question. This is also a very interesting question, and it is asked in many of the interview exam. That is for sure. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye and keep practicing.